Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In this part, we'll cover even more crucial details to help you make an informed decision and keep your trailer in top shape. Let's dive in. Analyze pricing structures. Pricing can be hourly, flat rate, or subscription-based. Each has pros and cons. Hourly rates. Common for repairs but unpredictable. A brake job might take 1 hour or 3, depending on complications. Flat fees. Better for budgeting. If a provider charges $200 for a full inspection, you know the cost up front. Subscription plans. These bundle routine services for a monthly fee. Ideal if you run a large fleet but check for long-term contracts. Here's how to spot fair pricing. Compare at least 3 local providers for the same service. Ask if discounts apply for multi-trailer fleets or prepaid plans. Avoid prices that seem too good to be true. Cheap labor often means rushed work. Price matters, but so does reliability. A slightly higher fee might be worth it for a provider who gets it right the first time. Read reviews and get references. Even the most skilled trailer maintenance provider won't be the right fit if they've got a history of late repairs or poor communication. Reviews and references act like a background check, helping you spot red flags and confirm reliability before you sign any contracts. How to interpret online reviews. A 5-star rating doesn't always mean quality, just as a single 1-star review doesn't spell disaster. Look for patterns instead of isolated comments. Here's how to read between the lines. Check for specifics. Reviews saying, "Fixed my brakes fast," or "Missed a wiring issue," tell you more than "Great service." Watch for responsiveness. A provider who replies professionally to complaints shows they care about fixing mistakes. Cross-check platforms. Google, Yelp, and industry-specific sites like Truckers Report give a fuller picture than just one source. Skip the generic praise and focus on reviews mentioning trailers like yours. A shop might excel with flatbeds but struggle with refrigeration units. Ask for and contact references. A trustworthy provider won't hesitate to share past clients, those who've used them for months or years. When you contact references, ask, "Were repairs done right the first time?" Repeat visits for the same issue waste money and downtime. How's their communication? You need a provider who updates you without chasing them down. Would they hire them again? The best indicator of satisfaction isn't politeness but repeat business. Don't just take their word for it. Request before and after photos of past work or ask if you can see a recently serviced trailer. A provider with nothing to hide will gladly show their work. This step takes minutes but saves months of headaches. The right provider won't just have happy customers, they'll have proof. Assess customer service and communication. A great trailer maintenance provider does more than turn wrenches, they communicate clearly and respond quickly. You won't just need their skills when things go wrong. You'll need partnership. How they handle questions, updates, and emergencies tells you whether they're worth trusting with your fleet. Evaluate responsiveness. Ever called a shop and waited days for a callback? Frustrating, right? When a trailer breaks down, delays cost money. A reliable provider answers calls promptly, even after hours. Here's what to test. Emergency availability. Do they offer 24/7 support, or just business hours? If your trailer stalls at midnight, you'll want options. Average response time. Ask how long they typically take to reply to service requests. Under an hour is ideal. On-site versus remote diagnostics. Some providers can troubleshoot issues over the phone, saving you a tow. Speed matters, but so does consistency. A shop that's fast once but slow the next isn't dependable. Assess clarity and transparency. Vague estimates and surprise fees strain trust. The best providers explain problems in plain terms and stick to their quotes. Look for detailed explanations. Instead of saying, "Your brakes are bad," they'll show worn pads are leaking fluid. Upfront pricing. No hidden charges. If a repair might exceed the estimate, they'll warn you first. Regular updates. A quick text or call to say, "We found X issue, here's the fix and cost," keeps you in the loop. Transparency isn't just polite. It's practical. You shouldn't need a mechanic's license to understand what you're paying for. A provider who communicates well saves you time, money, and stress. If they're hard to reach or leave you guessing, keep looking. Choosing a trailer maintenance provider isn't a decision to rush. The right partner keeps your fleet safe, reduces downtime, and saves money in the long run. Focus on their certifications, experience, and transparency. Skip shops that cut corners or hide costs. Talk to other fleet managers, compare quotes, and test their customer service before committing. A little research now prevents headaches later. Ready to find a reliable provider? Start by contacting local shops for estimates or asking your network for trusted recommendations. Your trailers and your peace of mind are worth the effort. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.